Good evening, Odd Shallot. Oh, we're all stocking up on Capri Sun and popcorn here.
We need to be louder.
Yes.
So we can hear us.
Will, are you okay?
No.
Neither am I. Right, okay.
I don't think any of us are.
We're all stocking up on Capri Sun and popcorn in preparation for Gruncle Foetus's Family Story Time, featuring Charlie Chaplin. I'm only joking, it's a painting, and also he's dead.
My grandma painted that, that's right. Shout out to Grandma later.
I never met my grandma because she's dead. Let's stop.
Welcome back to Gruncle Foetus.
Cuts off.
Technical difficulties.
I'm
only joking, we don't have that editing capacity because I'm in charge of editing and I do not. We don't do that here.
I'd like you all to note how amazing the camera quality is as well.
Yeah. Oh, welcome back to Gruncle Foetus's Family Story Time now with groundbreaking HD quality.
It looks like it's filmed in 2009 and that makes me
It looks like it's filmed in a potato. Who got crushed up under
looks
a
like something you'd see on You've Been Framed, you know how the camera
It is as well!
quality is.
If young
Right.
Americans don't know what that is.
We could be.
You live a sad, sad life.
You really do. Fucking remember when what's he called? Harry Hill or whatever?
Harry
Yeah.
Hill.
He used to have his
Scared the
own
life out
he
of
used
me.
to have his own TV show and he used to make me
It still
was
does.
brilliant.
I had a joke book by Harry It
Oh,
does. Hill and it He was has disgusting.
disgusting.
Alien Fun Capsule.
I think he's had several shows.
Oh yeah, there's a fifth person.
Four. Oh.
Four. No.
That's true.
Yeah, fifth because we've got Charlie. Oh yeah. Okay, so
put my ukulele down.
Sorry.
We're not having
Are
this
we,
here.
are we actually
Put it
doing
down!
the
No
story?
ukulele!
What
No
story do you want me to
singing.
begin? Because you know.
Where, which story?
Yeah, which story do you want me
What's
to
a
begin?
really
Yeah.
retarded one?
Oh!
A really terrible
Shall
one.
I-
Gruncle Foetus! Tell me about that time for the ravioli volcano!
Ravioli.
That's a gay one.
Okay, so let's look back a couple of years. 2011 probably.
You're going on a journey back, way back into time.
So yeah, I was like about 7, so it was like 2012. Get that out of my house. It was about 2012.
We don't talk about Gruncle Foetus's colonial phase.
That was dark days. Okay. 2012. I was in the house alone, like every 6-year-old should be.
Yes.
Oh, 7-year-old. And I had a massive plate of pasta. You know those really nice swirly ones?
No, I've never eaten pasta before.
You're a disgusting human. Anyway,
Pasta's a disgusting human. Wait, it's not human.
let us bond over pop.
Here we go, quick, faster this time.
Get off the ground, child.
Let's continue.
Anyway, so yeah, my mother had told me if you
Behold, floor popcorn.
if you do not eat this
I'm
pasta
not eating this.
when I get home, if that pasta is not eaten when I get home, you're not having whatever TV. I can't remember because it was like when I was 2012. I blocked it out from my memory. Anyway,
This
So-
is a suppressed memory from Gruncle Foetus.
so I was eating the pasta as you do, and I saw the and I saw the car slowly pull up into the driveway.
Adrenaline going through their veins.
And so I started like freaking out because I wanted that good Kush SpongeBob SquareBalls automatic threesome. So I shoved the pasta into my mouth. And I couldn't swallow it. I couldn't chew it because it was so full. And so I couldn't get any breath, air, oxygen into my system. So I just started pasta particles spitting everywhere as I hiccup into the night.
Molecular pasta physics.
At the window, like.
I go to the window and my mum's getting shopping out of the back bit or whatever, and I just go.
Boot of the car.
That's the one.
Wait.
I go onto the thing and go.
Do you make eye contact?
She doesn't look because I managed to run. No, I don't. No, I did it. I spat it into my mouth, into my hand, and like slammed it on the table. Not on the table, the plate. And like I can't remember.
No. Oh, you're a real one if you eat all your pasta just straight off the table.
I actually can't remember what happened after that.
Right, what's next? Next story.
The FBI came in and erased Gruncle Foetus's memory.
Yeah.
That was a sad
fucking
time.
That was one
You don't
heck
want
of a
it.
wild odyssey.
Okay, so, any other stories you want me to tell?
I don't know.
The one with Santa Claus 3.
No, that one's shit. Oh wait, no, yeah!
Santa Claus 3 is great. Okay, so,
Oh my god.
this was probably around the same time as the
You just
past
killed a
incident.
Capricorn.
So this
Yeah,
is,
how proud of yourself.
so I was addicted to the movie Santa Claus 3.
I can be yourself. That's free.
And like, I knew all of the words. And so I was sat in my bed, reciting the words
Put
as
the
usual.
fucking ukulele down.
And I heard this little... No, it was... What's that carousel song?
No, wait.
Not
Oh,
Harry
I know the
Potter.
one that you're talking about. Fairground music.
Yeah.
You mean like pop goes.
No, that's a Jack in the Box music.
Yeah.
No, that was that. It was...
Yeah.
Na-na-na-na-na-na-na. And I
Yeah.
had like a carousel, horse
It's an
carousel.
absolute bop, by the way.
And I had to wind it up. But it started going and I'm like, this isn't in the movie. Because obviously I knew
You're
it
like-
off by heart. And I was like... And so I screeched. Because I hadn't touched that carousel, and this was not in my favourite movie, Santa Claus 3. I hated the other two, by the way. The first two were shit. The third one. And so I yeeted downstairs, legs flying at 100 miles per hour. And I rise up to my mum.
Gruncle Foetus goes airborne.
Oh my god.
Hold the
And
phone.
this is my mother.
I was so
She
fun.
started watching
I'm
Coronation
Debbie.
Street. Mum, there's a demon in my room! And she's like,
Baby, darling, calm down. Just go
With the
back up.
Thanos hat.
I'm sure it's not. It's not a demon.
Mum,
Yeah.
Mum, I know this movie. There is
Okay,
no
yeah.
sounds on this thing. There's a demon
Okay.
in my house. And so she comes upstairs and she's like, Phoebe, it's probably just a part of the movie. I'm like, no, Mum, I know this movie. I'm like, and so, hasn't it popped? And so we walk up the stairs together and I go in like cautiously. I'm like, Mum, you go first. Because I'm like, obviously, if there is a demon, my mum was dying first because I don't like it. And so she goes in, she's like, there's nothing here. And I'm like, lies! And so I jump up onto
Thou art spreading falsehoods upon my fine kingdom
of Santa Claus 3.
of Foetus.
I've missed like 10 minutes of Santa Claus 3, which is kind of sad.
Yeah.
The sound is no more. I go up into the bed and I shiver the whole night through.
Well, that was
Yeah, it's
fascinating.
popcorn dramatically.
What's next?
Hang on.
The
What's
demon
the time?
7.
No. What's the time left?
7 minutes.
Okay.
I've been on for 7, so.
Okay.
Do you want the demon baby one?
No.
No.
The picture myself and my brother having to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so my house is like
Right.
you have the house, and then you've got the like the car thing, so like it goes from the back. You got the house. No, you've got the house, and then you've got like the thing that goes from the backyard to the
Yeah.
front. And so
The
me
path.
and my I was on one side and my brother was on the other side, and we were like this, like, and it was making me laugh, and I was just like, because I was laughing so hard, and I had shorts on, and I just single droplets of piss going on, and he was like, he didn't notice, and I was like, I couldn't warn him of the ongoing scream, and so he was just sat there like, like, you know, making your little sister laugh as you do, and so obviously he makes time, he's like, oh my god, because he sees it, and then that's it, and I'm like, ah, and so I go. I can't remember, this is kind of vague, but I kind of remember going up to my mum and saying, I've just peed. And she was like, Cameron, get the hose and hose it up. And he looked at me, like, lip trembling. And he was like, and I was there, all, like, laughing still. And I went up to the toilet, you know, did the do, and came downstairs, and I just saw my brother like this.
Thank you so much, Catherine.
I'm the hose.
Right. Tell me another one with your amazing brother Cameron. And
The one where I picked him in the box.
This is the last instalment of Gruncle Foetus' story.
Okay, so it was Christmas Eve, or was it the night after Christmas?
Prize.
That's pride. Okay. It was like Christmas. We'd opened up all presents, and it was like night time, so it was like nice, calming.
Yeah.
And so I was just playing with my shit in the middle.
Don't do that. That's unhygienic.
Okay, so I was playing with the shit and stuff in the middle of the living room. And it, again, sort of vague, but I vaguely remember me going up to my brother, who was stood
Why
next
were
to
you
me.
crying?
He's like this size, and I'm like here, and I'm like, I'm the screen. Like, threw him in the
Say
balls.
that louder.
And I got the screen! And like this.
If we ever get merch, that's what it's saying.
And I can the squeeze!
It's from Natural Libre or something.
What?
Anyway,
Yeah.
he's on the ground, like.
What fucking noise was that? Can you do that noise again?
I don't know. No.
Oh my god. Do that noise again.
Somebody take the pot.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, so I was like, he's on the ground begging for mercy. And I just laughed to myself.
I'm already Teresa.
And so
That's topical.
oh. So yeah, that's basically it.
Well,
That's it.
We have
Ladies and
4
gentlemen.
more minutes. Do you have another quick?
do you have another story?
Quick story.
I was just going to say, ladies and gentlemen, what have we learned today?
I think you should do that because I think I'm done for today.
Ladies and gentlemen, what have we learned today?
We've learned never to trust baby and make her laugh. So, I mean,
Do not disrespect the realm of Gruncle Foetus.
never disrespect Gruncle Foetus.
Or I will bite you.
Never
Fetus will bite, and Fetus does not show mercy.
Never make them laugh so hard that they piss themselves, or else you'll have to clean
It's
it up.
happened a lot in the last year. I'm gonna be honest.
Wait, in the last
Wait.
year.
Wait. Old people, you know, can't hold it in anymore. Like my dog, and that's why they got put down.
I hope I get put down because that's happened. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's happened a lot.
Right,
Mostly from TikTok memes.
squad.
Yeah.
New arrangement. Who wants to go get euthanized?
Me.
Wrong arm. Got that arm is it
Scar,
visible? Do you want?
Do not disrespect.
Oh.
Fetus, this is on video.
Ah! Oh, no. You fucking idiot! We're in my basement, by the way.
Chaos erupts.
You fucking
With a
dickhead.
diffuse trail.
I
Are
think-
you not even gonna clean it
I
up?
think we should end this before it gets too heated.
It's already heated.
Ladies and gentlemen, what have we learned?
Storytime gone wrong, gone sexual. I'm just gonna put them back in the bag.
I'm gonna have to go
Yes.
to the bathroom again.
Yes, old people.
Ah.
I've eaten too many. I've inhaled too many Capri Suns.
That happens.
You know, my dad told me today. I was like, Dad, why have you gone to the bathroom like 3 times in the last minute? And he was like, I've been drinking too many alcohols, Phoebe.
Alcohols!
And he was like, when you drink too many drinks, you'll have to go to the bathroom every other 5 minutes as well. And I was like, yeet yourself. off
The
of
circle of life.
Capri Sun bathroom retreat.
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 Awkward moonwalking to the bathroom.
And subscribe.